Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to view Kindle purchases on Amazon. To view your Kindle purchases on Amazon, first of all, open up your web browser. In the URL box, type in amazon.com and search. Make sure to sign into your Amazon account as well. Once you're signed in, from the main homepage of Amazon, mouse over to Accounts and Lists at the top right corner, and then click on Content Library option. Choose Books option from the Content Library and then click on the All drop-down at the top. Click on Purchases and you will then be able to find the list of your Kindle books that you've purchased on the page. It includes the title of the book, the authors, and purchased date. You can further filter out the list by various criteria such as samples, rentals, borrows, and loans as well. That is how you can view your Kindle purchases on the Amazon account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.